Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys, and today is going to be a super fun day. I'm so excited, and yeah, it's pre-trip preparations. I'm going to Elvedalen and driving the Discovery off-road for the first time in a long time, and I need to get some protection on it. So got to put on the front bash plate, which is new, and also rock sliders, and also need to change out the spare wheel with the new wheels. So yeah, it's going to be a massive day in the garage, so stay tuned for this. Okay, so as you can see behind me, I already started yesterday, and yeah, removing the side sill plastic and inspecting the sill, and it's not looking too bad. I'm not going to fix it now. I'm just going to take off the plastic, clean it all off, put on the rock sliders, and then when I get back home, I'm going to take them off again and paint them, but not today. Don't have time for that, so yeah. Okay, yesterday I struggled with the screws on this side. Let's see, because they were so rusted. Let's see. So it was spinning around the nut, or what it's called. Also pretty rusty. Okay, so it looks like it's only 2 bolts on this side. There was 4 or 5 on the other. Continuous. Okay, so as you can see, not all good times in the garage, but yeah, it's not neither worse or better than I thought. I thought it was going to be something, and yeah, it's kind of as expected, but yeah, it's not too bad. I can fix it myself, I hope. And yeah, so but now I'm gonna take it down and get it outside. Use the pressure washer to clean off the sides, brush off all the dirt, and then I can start mounting the rock sliders. Whoop. Okay, so before I take it outside and clean it off, I decided I can see if I can get the spare wheel down while it's all the way up here. It's coming down. Okay, so it's working. Okay, happy days in the garage. The wheel, the spare wheel carrier or the wind-up system is broken. I know it often happens. I don't remember the reason why, but yeah. So now. I have to take down the new tire and then find another place for it and just cut the whole thing off. I don't have time for this, so I need to do the other stuff, so yeah. Just cut it off. Now I need a spare wheel carrier for the rear. So from plastic here I need to go move it forwards and then put it back in afterwards. Let's do that. Okay, so a little status update from the garage. Rock sliders are on. One broken bolt, as always. I'm not gonna fix that now. And also one bolt hole didn't line up for some reason. So yeah, so both sides are missing one bolt. I think that's gonna be okay. Got the kids to bed and got some food. Now I'm ready to continue on. And next up is the Prospeed front bash plate. So yeah, that will be next. Just gonna start with fixing the spacers which are going on, and then the nuts which are also going on underneath, and then I'm gonna start mounting it. Okay, so you can see we have a bit different stuff. So we have the main bolts, mounting bolts, some spacers. These nuts, what's they called? Don't remember. These are going to be mounted on the car, which are these are going to be mounted to. These are spacers. This is to mount the spacers, and also to mount the spacers, also spacers. So let's do the spacers first, and then you can see I already done one. This is how it looks. Next up is the captive nuts. There's 4, one on each side of the sump plate, and there's also 2 each side here up front. So they're basically sitting. Can you see that? Yeah, there's a hole here, and there's a hole there. Yeah. So the captive nut, put it in between the sump plate and so you don't put it over the sump plate, or else you have to take off the nut if you're going to take down the sump plate. Yeah. Smart. And last one, and I'm done. Okay, good, pretty easy. The drawings and could have been better. Was the spacers, mounting them okay? There comes with outer and inner. A bit confusing, but when you understand it, it's easy. So easy fit. If Prospeed, if you see this, make an even better illustration with the details of the spacers at least, and yeah, and put in the torque settings. So I'm doing 16 Newton now on all the bolts. I don't know if that's enough, or I don't dare take any more. So yeah, put that in your description next time. Or update your description for others. Yes. But it looks really good. Pretty solid. It's probably 8 mil. Okay, so as a bonus, I have this Prospeed compressor guard. So I'm gonna try and just test fit, because the front bolt hole is the one that the guy making these missed, so it's I'm just gonna see how they align and maybe drill a hole. I will see. Just gonna check. Bolt hole here is aligned. This one is not aligned, so it's off by a centimeter almost. Then you have the hook up on the inside. Actually quite nice. So I could drill a hole here just to get it done. Yeah. I don't know why, but there's always something. Okay, so let's punch a center hole here. I hope that this is the center. Okay, so I drilled up to 8, I think. See if I can. Yep, I can see the bolt hole. If we are super lucky, we can get the bolt up in there. So bolt is entering nicely. Very cool. Okay, let's get that out and change it out with the other bolts. Of course, we use a countersunk stuff. Like so. Oh, so happy. Everything is on, even. Oh. Okay. So let's get this off. Sound. So I'm super happy. Yeah, it's recording. Okay, so I'm super happy now, getting the everything on, bash plate in the front, the rock sliders, and now also the compressor guard. So really happy. It's just past midnight and I'm still in the garage, but now I'm just gonna clean up what I can and yeah, get some sleep, and then tomorrow morning super fast pack down, and after the kids go to school, and then I'm off, I'm going. It's gonna be, oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I was so anxious to going off-roading with the Discovery without having any guard zone, so I wanted the guard zone before going off-roading. Yeah, and now it is, yeah, happy. So I guess if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully that will be down in Elvedalen, and I'm driving off-road.
Okay.